I gotta get Nancy's face.
That's good.
It is good? You enjoy it?
Yeah. It's like liquid heat.
Yeah.
It's very good.
Woo! Wait, now it's down. It's going down my throat.
Is it burning?
No.
No?
Burning. What am I, a wuss bag?
I'm a wuss bag. I'm afraid. I'm
Here, let me hold
self-admitting
that.
I'm a wuss bag here.
That is yummy. And plus, you know, I would think after dinner, it gives you a nice breath, too.
Yeah, definitely. This is, I mean, this is, when we're talking fireworks, 4th of July, this is, definitely gives you that, that heat and that pop, so.
My nose hairs just went,
Well, you know what, Dumbo? You're not supposed to take it and shoot it like you just did.
It's a shot. That's the size of a, is that not the size of a shot?
Did we just talk? Did you not listen to what we just said?
I wasn't listening.
He said you sip it. He was so afraid. You were so afraid. That
It's down in my belly now. I got fire belly. I got a little fire in the belly. It's like a Rocky movie.
There you go.
You got a fire in the belly, Rock.
Just remember, you'll know when you're thirsty again. Your rear will stop burning.
Next, we're going to do a watermelon martini.
For my kids.
You don't?
No.
Why not?
What are you doing with the glass? Is that
I
how you
was-
clean your glasses at home? You just got done talking about
You're
that
next,
lady
Newman.
at the fast food store earlier today who did a little clean on her. She spit on her fingers and then.
Yeah, but here's the deal. I'm drinking out of the glass. I was getting the cinnamon off of it, so it wouldn't. The residue wouldn't be in my
Nancy's
water.
grabbing it. It's mine. My glass. No one else can have it. It's mine.
Ooh, look how pretty that is.
Is that your glass that you licked? Are you positive?
Yeah, I watched.
It
does
smells
smell
like
good.
a watermelon Jolly Rancher. Oh. Woo! That is good.
But
That's
yeah, real
nice.
easy recipe. It's really fun and perfect for the holidays. Of course, you know, we always try and say you want to consume responsibly. We don't want anybody to get hurt out there because it's all about fun, you know.
No, it
so
is.